Meaning, need and importance of higher education. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is currently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Let me first shed light on what higher education is. The term higher education, with respect to India, denotes the tertiary level education that is imparted after 12 years of schooling. Higher education refers to education beyond the secondary level, usually pursued in colleges, universities, and specialized institutions. It may be of the nature of general, vocational, professional, or technical education. It offers in-depth knowledge and expertise in specific academic disciplines or professional fields. Higher education includes undergraduate, bachelor's, postgraduate, master's, and doctoral, PhD, degree programs. It involves advanced research, critical thinking, and intellectual exploration to contribute to knowledge and innovation. In short, higher education in India extends beyond secondary schooling to provide specialized knowledge, research opportunities, and career prospects. It plays a crucial role in personal development, societal progress, and the nation's overall growth by fostering innovation, critical thinking, and expertise in various fields. Let me now discuss the need for and importance of higher education, advanced knowledge and skills. Higher education offers in-depth knowledge and specialized skills in various fields, enabling individuals to become experts in their chosen areas of study. Career opportunities. Many professions require a higher education degree as a minimum qualification. Advanced degrees open doors to a wider range of job opportunities and career paths. Personal development. Higher education fosters personal growth by encouraging critical thinking, self-discipline, and intellectual curiosity. Research and innovation. Higher education institutions are centers of research, discovery, and innovation. They contribute to scientific breakthroughs, technological advancements, and the development of new knowledge that drives progress in various fields. 5. Civic engagement. Higher education instills a sense of social responsibility and encourages active engagement in community and civic activities. 6. Global perspective. Many higher education institutions have diverse student populations, exposing individuals to different cultures, viewpoints, and ideas. This exposure promotes cultural awareness, tolerance, and global understanding. 7. Economic growth. A well-educated workforce contributes to economic growth by driving innovation, entrepreneurship, and productivity. 8. Social mobility. Higher education can serve as a means of social mobility, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to improve their socio-economic status. 9. Critical thinking and problem solving. Higher education nurtures critical thinking skills, which are essential for analyzing complex issues, making informed decisions, and addressing societal challenges. 10. Health and well-being. Education is linked to improved health outcomes and overall well-being. Higher education can lead to better healthcare access, healthier lifestyles, and increased awareness of wellness practices. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.